Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by
Hi everybody, this is Eric with Window Depot USA. I'm here with Mr. Greathouse. His windows got installed a couple weeks ago and he agreed to give us a video testimony. And so Mr. Greathouse, first I want to say I appreciate your business.
Not a problem, thank you.
Thank you. And second, the first question I have is, when the sales process, how did that go for you?
Well, you know, after looking at several different companies, Window Depot was the best value for us and my family. Also, they were also the best with the timely install and how soon they could get the install done. I appreciate it.
Great. So when the installers came out, how did they treat you, your property, and how'd that process go?
Well, again, it was very outstanding. The service manager or the top guy, he was very personable. They were very clean. They respected our property and our privacy. And also, they got it done in timely and when he said it would be done.
That's great. That's great. And so, sounds like you had a really good experience with us. So the only other question I have is, would you refer us to your friends and family?
Absolutely. One of the things we always liked is good quality windows that last a long time and someone that stands behind them. And that's something that Window Depot will do.
Hey man, I appreciate that. We really appreciate your business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Greathouse.
Thank you.